Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a pie chart into your diagrams on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your diagram in the first step, and as you can see I added a pie chart or shape like this, for example, to represent data visually. So this is how you can do it. Navigate to the basic shapes here on the left hand side, and you will find the pie chart here in the bottom left corner. Select it and add it to your document. Now you can, for example, use that handle to rotate it. You may also use these two handles here to adjust the slices, for example, of the pie chart, like this. And yeah, as any other element, you can resize it, use its connectors to connect it with other elements. And what you want to do also, guys, is right click into it, for example, and go through these options. For example, you may clear the waypoints. You may right click into it and edit the style. You may right click into it and edit also the connection points here, and add more connection points, rather either to the left, to the right, top, bottom, or reset everything by clicking into this button. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you add a pie chart to your diagrams on Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.